third place.
Third place, best club.
Presentation goes to
Large group.
the Altis Club.
Altis Club.
Are they still called Club ZZ? So it's
Pag
just,
large group, 7 above. Tama, no?
yeah, Altis Club.
Congratulations, sir. Ito po yung dalawa.
Tanong lang. May tanong daw dito, bakit 4 lang kayo kung large
Sir,
group?
bakit dapat na lang ba kayo? Dapat large group. Tulog na. Okay, congratulations, boss.
Second place for Best Club Presentation Large Group goes to Team Forecast.
Team Forecast. Best Club Presentation Large Group. Second place. Lalo nangyari. Large group eh. Baka nandito yung iba, Chong. Congratulations, boss.
Marami yatas kayo nasa street din. So, Best Club Presentation, first place. This is club, okay? This is club presentation. When we say club presentation, it's not just quality, it's also quantity, and vice versa. So it's quantity and quality. Uwi na kami. Sandali lang.
Best Club Presentation Large Group, first place goes to
Team. Come on down. Or up.
Yes!
Team Fit.
Team Fit. Congratulations. Dami na naman ito. Ito large group talaga, oh. Dami. Wait a minute.
Gary, kaya ba tayo ng stage?
Group on. Group on. Group on.
Teka, bababa muna ako.
Dami nila, oh. Papasok show na again. Labas na yung bikini.
How many cars?
How many cars, boss?
Who's the president?
22.
Who's the president of the club?
23 cars. Total members po sa group nyo. Total members. Infinite.
Who's the president?
Who's the president, boss? Who's the president? O, teka lang, picture mo muna sila. Nasaan ba yung mga models natin? Sama nyo si Abby, saka si Pines. Oh, teka lang. Paano nyo kukunan ngayon yan? Abby dito na, saka si Pines, oh. Sige, game. Oh, sama nyo na yung mga models. Boss, sino yung president nyo? Interviewin lang natin. We can speak in behalf of Team Fit, right? Si James. James. Sir James, congratulations for the Best of Show Street category. You're gonna win where's the trophy? Well, what are you gonna win, sir? A trophy and air intake from Weapon R.
It's a set.
It's a set. And
Thanks again from Weapon R and Ultra Racing.
hope we can call on
Dr.
Mr. Dennis Pandillo to award the prize.
Calling ng mga ninong ng anak ko.
It's Mr. Pandillo here. Probably Brian Revilla is the endorser for Ultra Racing. Still here.
Tonton, pakisabi kay Kuya.
Okay na raw.
Ninong.
Okay. For Best of Show Street category.
Entry number. Teka, double check ko. Ba yun? Entry number. Patagalin natin. Entry number.
Ulitin natin.
Bumper to bumper.
Best of Show Street category.
Bumper to bumper.
5.
5.
Best of Show Street categories. Entry number 5. Sir, pang-pro ka raw, sabi ni Brian. No?
Baka hindi nyo na kailangan.
Congratulations, sir.
Baka hindi nyo na kailangan. Parang kailangan.
To award the prize is Mr. Sir, ano po yung mga pinamigyan nyo na prize?
This is
Move on to second best of show. Sorry, best of show novice.
Best of show novice to win again. Sir, what are this? Can you show this to everyone?
This
Number 5 novice
goes to entry number from Paint Plus. Entry number 72.
Entry number 72, best of show novice. Congratulations, sir. Picture po muna pang Facebook. What car are you driving, sir?
Sylvia S40 po.
Ano pong color?
May blue po.
Naka-weapon R na yan sa Ultra Racing.